So coming through here, we've got the parents up the front, we've got the dining, we've got the kitchen, and we've got the alfresco. Okay, so this side is the children's wing, I call it. So come through here. Okay, good sized bedroom, double size, good sized bedroom. Through here, we've got the bathroom. Again, quality everywhere. Here we go, powder room. Look at the size of this toilet. Okay, so this is great layout. Very close to our fresco and dining, so everyone's accessible to a toilet. Nice. Back down through here. Terry, do you like the size of this bedroom?
I think it's fantastic.
What's your favourite takeaway from this bit?
The colouring in book is just to die for. I'm just working on the
Now don't go outside the lines.
rims.
Follow me more down this one here. This is actually a good sized bedroom. This is another double. This is a sort of a teenager's, young adult size room. Very nice. Okay, this is one of the really great positions of a laundry. It comes straight out of the garage into the laundry. Massive, massive length of bench top for the laundry. Mums are going to love that. Dads too. Cupboards, overhead cupboards. And I'm a storage guy, so check this out. Now that is storage. Unbelievable. Great stuff.